guys, I'm Nitin. You're watching B4U, and today we are right here in Shoreditch at the curtain for Native Sounds, like you can see right there. The concept is really cool. It's an initiative put together by Harpz Kaur from the BBC Asian Network and Prash from Desi Beatz, Mr. Desi Beatz. Now here's how it works. Every time they have a native sound show, we're going to have maybe 5 performers who maybe are performing for the first time. Maybe they're YouTube stars, maybe they're Instagram performers, but they get a platform, that platform behind me, to showcase their talents to industry professionals and all of you guys watching at home. So today, I know we've got some special talent. I can't wait to check it out. So without any further ado, let's go take a look. Joined by one of the performers performing right here today at Native Sounds. Isha Maria, how you doing?
Hi, I'm doing okay, a bit nervous, you know.
You're gonna be fine. It's a nice mellow crowd today. I'm liking the environment. Let's get to know you a little bit. Tell us a little bit about your background and what kind of music you're into.
So, my dad's from Delhi and my mom's from Visakhapatnam, so north and south. I've been growing up listening to all kinds of music, but obviously and I'm not just saying this, we have B4U playing every day in my house.
I do like Isha, she's so cool. We're gonna high five on that. I like that. I didn't even prep her for that.
Yeah, so disclaimer, we're a B4U household. Yeah, I think music's always been in the family, and I guess I just want to take it to the next level.
I do like it. I'm really excited to see you on stage. I know they're kind of warming up and getting ready, but who knows what might come from this? I mean, you're already on B4U now. Maybe we'll see you again in the future on B4U, and probably be on the Asian Network as well. Fingers crossed, yeah. Isha, good luck. Best of luck. If the guys at home do want to follow you, what are you, like at Isha, like what is it?
Yeah, if you type in ESHAMARIA, so Isha Maria, you'll find me anywhere, Isha and Maria.
I like it. Nice one. Good luck, yeah?
Thank you.
Got an extra smile at the end too.
Shining competition, I don't wanna be the blame me through your speaker. Heard your sister like me, I'm your sister keeper. Oh, you agree, but when I leave her, I don't wanna see her. Another bozo, oh no, won't grow. Trying to get on the telly saying la la, uh-oh. Put up your cups when you see me walk. Hold up your cups when you hear me talk. Cause I'm a groovy kid. Got the screw loosen it. Oh, but I got the juice in it. No key, just bruising it. I'm cruising. Oh, ever since I've been so independent, yeah. Things ain't the same. I've been thinking, where have you been? I ain't worried about it. If I tell the truth, I don't do nothing for you, yeah. See you later. Not trying to stick around you, boy, if you a complicator. You wanna say me, no, you ain't no messiah. Sayonara, suck it. Save all your compliments for Mariah. She don't care. She let her head down and tie up her hair. She let her man down and she ain't reaching there. You throw your bands down like they ain't going spare. Ah, but you so funny. Something, yeah, with no money. No honey. hoes, ain't no way, don't play. Oh God, you can't run slow in a big race, it's fast paced, sucker. Oh, ever since I've been so independent, yeah. It ain't the same. I'll be thinking, I'll be thinking. Where have you been? Are you worried about it? Every time tell the truth, I don't do nothing for you, yeah. I drop the top, I ain't looking all that far. Nobody holding doors for me, waiting up the door for me, open up the doors for me. I am the star, it is the one. Meant to show your daughter and you better hide your son. You better run, can't say it will come. So trust me if you jump in and nothing but the gun. Think it just a saying, think it just a dance. Better be on hundreds of you, give you not a chance. You ain't my man, no, you ain't my man. Ain't man enough, boy, your room must be sad.
Guys, we are still right here at Native Sounds. I'm joined now by one of the performers, Harpz Kaur. Is that right?
Yeah, man, that's right. That's right.
B-A-H-I-A.
That's the one. That's the one.
I like it. Now, Harpz, I'm kind of liking this environment. It's nice. It's intimate. It's downright great. It's what we need, right?
Yeah, definitely. I think to get these sort of events up on the ground, there need to be these sort of intimate, up close and personal with the artists type of gigs, and that's exactly what they've done here. So they've done a good job.
Nice. Now, tell us a little bit about your background, because you know, you've got people here performing. We've got five performers. Some of them, it's the first time they've even been on a stage. Not so much the case with you. You actually played Michael Jackson in Thriller in London, right?
Yeah, that's correct. I was playing Michael Jackson in Thriller for about a year now, and now I've just been spent the last year just focusing on my music and just getting my craft sorted, and I'm ready to release and get out there. But yeah, live performance is something I've had quite a lot of experience in.
Nice. Well, how would you describe your sound? We had Harpz Kaur on stage earlier describing you as a little bit R&B, a little bit pop, a little bit Bruno Mars, and maybe even a little bit Michael Jackson now.
I just describe my sound as Harpz Kaur, man. That's all I'm trying to be.
When you're dancing, you got me feeling some kind of way. The way you're moving, body moving, made me feeling some kind of way. We can do it all night, dance till the morning. Tonight is in the moonlight, watching you give me your body, baby. Watching you move on the morning, baby. Nobody gonna like you before. Hey, a girl that got no shame, a girl that's got no shame. Nobody gonna like you before. Tell me what's your name? Tell me what's your name? Nobody gonna like you before. Nobody gonna like you before. Nobody gonna like you before. Oh, nobody gonna like you before. Freaking, oh, we be freaking. Do you believe in love after love?
Guys, we are right here at Native Sounds. It's a brand new initiative. I'm joined now by Prash, aka Mr. Desi Beatz. And you like that name, don't you?
It's my favourite name.
It's your
Chris and by
favourite
unit,
name.
and come on.
And of course, the gorgeous Harpz Kaur over here from BBC Asian Network. How are you doing today?
I'm very, very well. Thank you very much.
I'm kind of liking this new concept. I'm gonna come to you, Prash, first. Tell me a little bit about Native Sounds. Why am I standing here with Prash and Harpz Kaur?
Right, so it's a new connection in a sense. Harpz has been killing it on BBC Asian Network as a breakfast show, and we've been doing Desi Beatz doing our own thing, as you know, as you guys have been following so long, and it was a natural synergy. Harpz and I met. We found that we had a lot of common ground in terms of our vision for where we see the industry going forward, and began discussing how can we contribute rather than just doing what we currently do. How can we do more? How can we take things forward? And Native Sounds begun. We discussed, let's create a platform. Let's make something available for new talent. And here it is. Myself and Harpz curated the thing together. We've put our heads together and say, how is the best way of bringing new unsigned talent to the forefront? And here it is.
New unsigned talent to the forefront. I'm going to come over to Harpz over here. So being on the BBC Asian Network as well, you get to see so many of the artists here in our British Asian scene. Native Sounds, like it says there behind us. How's this going to work? Okay, we've got unsigned talent coming in, but who decides who's coming in, who's performing? Do they approach you? Do you approach them?
So me and Prash together have come up with this idea for many, many months now. We've been thinking about it for a while. The thing is, the British Asian talent is so healthy right now. Like there are so many artists out there that people have not yet discovered. And I feel like because I live and breathe music so much, I'm constantly listening to people all the time, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram, wherever I hear it and I see a talent, I feel like I need to be there to help.
Right.
And together we have decided that, you know, if we can give somebody that platform and I have the voice to be able to share that with people, this is the best way to do it. So together, I think we've handpicked the talent that you're about to see here tonight. And we honestly feel like each individual has got some sort of a talent themselves and they're going to go really far.
Yo, myself in the year, take me in. Yo, I keep my mic on all the time in case I need to spit some violent rhymes. Yo, trust me, I got a violent mind, man, run. Look for a place to hide up. Man cancel the outside, out of target, but my shot stay online. I rhyme fast, rhyme tight, rhyme cool. I'm nice, I clap out with an 8-bar and I hate y'all. Stay far, you won't see me coming. Try shoot back, you won't see me running. 260s, 132, I spun him because I don't say many things. Cause I don't say many things. Cause I don't say many things. No intention of being on the wing yet. Cause I don't say many things. Say many things. I'm on a few words. I don't say many things. I'm on a chat shit with the close ones for no shit ting. This time the mic's the ring. Sound on sing. All the powers that I bring. Turn into lyrics that turn into ink. Turn into vocals that turn into links. Half of these MCs that do stinks. Yeah, it stinks. Tell a man go get a shower, use links. Tell a man don't come back to this fix. Tell a man don't go if you can't think. I said, yeah, it stinks. Tell a man go get a shower, use links. Tell a man don't come back to this fix. Tell a man don't go if you can't think. Yo, 19 when I stay clean, when I run stay lean, but it's unhealthy for the scene. Man try to say grime's dead, but it ain't dead, so I don't get what you mean. Seem to reason, legalize the green. Please, a plant that kills most disease. Ease, urban legend like capital C's.
Guys, I am joined by another one of the performers who performed live on this very stage. His name is Inda, and you're a rapper, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Talk to me a little bit about why you got into music, what's some of your inspirations?
I just really connected with, like, you know, I started listening to grime and stuff, and I just really connected with the music, and you know, when I start to like something, I want to eventually kind of pursue it. And yeah, and my biggest inspirations has to be like Wiley, Chipmunk, you know, like lyrical kind of grime MCs. And yeah, man, I'm just like heavily inspired by them.
Yeah?
But yeah.
Well, look, I mean, I don't know if I heard this correctly, but when you were on stage, did you say this is the first time you were performing in front of a live audience like this?
Yeah.
That was an insane performance if that was the first time you were performing.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, it was my first time, man. Yeah, thank you to Harpz for giving me the opportunity to do this as well, man. And yeah, hopefully many more to come as well, man.
Guys, I'm joined now by one of the performers today, Vibs Bhatia, or as I like to call you, put a smile on everyone's face, girl. Why do I call you that?
Maybe because I'm smiling myself.
Not because you're smiling. You might not know this, but when you're performing, because you're so concentrating on your performance, everyone else is looking at you with their phones going, that's basically the look on everyone's face. How does it make you feel that you can do that?
I'm very grateful that I can do that. I think that's the main thing that I try and do is just connect with everyone, and you know, so that they can enjoy the songs. That's why I try and do those kind of songs that everyone enjoys too. So,
Let's get to know you a little bit. So Vibs Bhatia, you're from Birmingham.
Yeah.
You made that clear on stage.
Proud.
Talk to us about your background. What inspires you? When did you get into music? How did it all start for you?
So I was about 7 and my family are all into music, not professionally, but everyone, it's from my granddad down really. And I started learning harmonium, the classical Indian, but I've never been vocally trained. And then when I got more into like school culture, I wanted to learn guitar. So I learned Spanish guitar for like a year. But then it never really clicked with me. I wanted something more like suitable for Indian and English. So then I self-taught myself like chords off YouTube. And then
self-taught?
Yeah.
That's impressive.
I pick up everyone here. Just gonna perform a few songs for you guys. Obviously my hit coming last, but yeah man, I'm just gonna start off with Be Mine.
But hold on, before you do anything man, you gotta tell them where you're from, you gotta represent.
All of that, okay.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm from South London. Yeah. I'm 19 years old. Yeah, started doing music, 17. But yeah, I'm here now. Yeah.
Brixton, yeah, he's from Brixton.
Yeah, Brixton.
But you know what, tell them where you come from and how you started, because
I come from a YouTube background, to be honest. I used to do YouTube videos back in the day, but started doing music and now I'm here in this lane. But yeah, I've got bangers coming, man.
Alright, now let's start off with this one, yeah?
I just like this. Hey. Yeah. Just catch a vibe, innit? Get me? Yeah. I told my baby girl, take time. Have you got the work for the deadline? Slow wine, take time. It will take more than FaceTime to be mine, yeah. Cause don't you don't call my waistline. But I'ma push the pedal in the S-line. Slow wine, take time. It will take more than FaceTime to be mine, yeah. I told her it will take more than FaceTime. Now she wanna call off my mainline. Hold up. I think she really wanna be mine, but I'm just trying to get inside her like a grapevine.
Right guys, I'm joined by our 5th and final performer today, Coombs. That was an awesome set you just had. How are you feeling today? It's a nice venue.
I feel good. I mean, I like the vibe. It was a little appreciative, supportive vibe. I mean, everyone was enjoying it.
It's a start. It's the first native sounds. Hopefully there's going to be many more. This is going to mean so much for all the guys watching at home, all the guys on YouTube. We can see a movement.
Yeah, no, 100%. I mean, this whole thing is a big movement.
You're doing so well already. You had people on the stage who have never performed on a stage before. You, of course, have videos out there. Did I hear you right? 7 million views already?
Yeah, man.
So the other end of the spectrum, but how was it in this venue? Nice, quiet, intimate?
No, I liked it. I mean, I was comfortable. I don't usually feel that comfortable, but I was very comfortable this time.
Nice. Yeah. It's good to see you coming back and performing at venues like this as well. Like I said, the guys who are performing alongside you will remember it in the future. Maybe we'll see you again in the future right here at Native Sounds. Thank you so much.
Slow wine, take time to be mine, yeah. Hey. That was my first singing single from YouTube days, but yeah. What I'm gonna perform right now is my new single coming out in like a month. I'm gonna perform like half of it. But yeah man, it's sick.
Should we get it on?
Yeah man.
This is gonna be a bang, I'm telling you, let's get it.
Pretty one. She my kind of girl, she my pretty one. Sweet thing there, she my pretty one. Can I tell her me pretty one? Hey, pretty one, come my way. Got me feeling like Harlem when I'm in Prash, get bread all day. But I ain't even stressing, baby girl, I know you're a blessing. You already know when I stepped in. Take it to my zone, what you reckon? And your man won't know you're caressing me. So I roll off, stepping clean. Rolls them, roll with me. This bad girl looking on fleek. Want plan A, not my plan B. But anything you need, I provide her. Plan B in designer. I took a couple L's, but it's mine. Come around, yeah. Pretty one, come my way. Now she don't make my thing is, but I'm hopping on the range. If I meet you, girl, you're gonna go insane, yeah.
Right. Right guys, that was one awesome evening. Native Sounds, Harpz Kaur, Prash, you've absolutely outdone yourself. That was really cool. I like this because going forward, this is going to be a platform where British Asians get to showcase their talent that they might not have otherwise got to showcase. So well done to everyone who performed tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw as well. Still time to look them up online. And if you are somebody who wants to perform on that stage, make sure you get yourselves known to Harpz Kaur and Prash. You know, you can come down to a Desi Beatz event maybe. He's always hanging around there somewhere. We're there too. It's pretty cool, you know. But I hope to see you guys on that stage as well, because like I said, we've got so much talent undiscovered, and these people, they're going to be going somewhere. But on that note, I'm Nitin. You're watching B4U, and I'm going to see if I can get a quick sneak peek on who's performing next time. I'll see you guys soon.